Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, place up first and foremost. A wall on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. So subscribe and like if for your first time. Over here, so finna miss out. Pick it up quick. So Rick Cafe apologize for COVID breaching rules as it. So one hot spot, tourist spot at Rick's Cafe was the location where this Mocha Fest was kept, in Westmoreland, and it has admitted to breaching the COVID-19 safety laws so far. So they must say them acknowledge the Mocha Fest party on Thursday afternoon at Rick's Cafe became crowded. You see me? And man, I tell no lie. I used to them know about these people, and it was already like 4 days after, cause Mayor says a 7-day event, so it was really crowded, if you get me. You see me? End of the day, a lot of people say, oh, so foreigner them want for flying and come keep party boy and thing. But for me, party been a keep, but them type of party, just all they show the people them what time it is said, you see. So Rick's Cafe said the temperature of the people and them thing they did get checked differently. Currently them under investigation. You see it, can't say nothing else, girls, I don't know what become of that. But Spice interview with the Observer was really appreciated, so may I go share that video with you as well so they can see it.
Hello, it's Friday and talk about a special Friday. It's not every day that we have, royalty in the house. But this afternoon we do have Queen Spice.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you very much for having us. Thank you very much for coming. Thanks to Nicole who came out and showed us to do your face.
Yes,
amazing.
big up to Nicole. She did an amazing job, and she's actually getting married
Tomorrow, so we should
I know.
Long story short, before Queen Spice became Spice and all things nicer, what I love, my fondest memory was, Grace Hamilton coming to the Observer to sign up for Fashions Night Out way back when. So that was really cool.
Very different from Spice.
Even this size.
Okay. I tell people all the time I'm shy and quiet, and they're like, you?
Yes,
what?
exactly.
They don't understand. So let them hear it from you.
Yeah,
the Grace Hamilton that you know a few years
like,
ago.
Proper. Oh, I know you. I'm interested in Fashions Night Out. I know about it. Of course, Grace comes Spice up, and
At that time, I had a boutique called Spicy Couture.
Correct.
Yes.
And it was Fashions Night Out was lovely.
Yes, it was.
It was fantastic.
I was so excited when Fashion Night Out came to Jamaica. Because I used to travel overseas and still have different stuff and events, and I'm always like, Jamaica needs something. So when you brought that, I was so happy as a store owner at the time.
Yeah.
And so I was ready. My my window was always set up and ready. I remember one time we did live mannequins, human mannequins.
I remember, you did. I mean, you really, when people say that you're now into fashion, no, you're not now into fashion. You were always into fashion.
Definitely.
Queen of style. So that was nice. Definitely. But today though, oh my God, Grace, you're so busy. Between your fabulous family, between your hot love life, between
nice rasta.
Between
talk about it.
Okay, we kind of watch. We've been watching you. Grace. Yeah, we've been watching you.
But I haven't slept in days, and I don't think people understand.
Sorry, is that the rasta?
No. I've been extremely busy because of the success of Go Down There. So lots of interviews.
Sorry.
And
We're still at the rasta.
Oh, we're still at the rasta. All right, we're still at it.
We're still at the rasta.
Okay.
Why are you rushing? And your lovely children.
We're gonna start blush. If you stay at the rasta, we're gonna start blush. No,
blush. You love your home, your shopping, your children. Life has been good. Lots of blessings have come out of this pandemic. It has been fabulous for you.
I think so too.
And then of course we saw the lovely vehicle that you sent for Shaggy and Jean Paul.
Shaggy, when he came to Atlanta, it was Shaggy, yeah.
Right. Sean Paul was already there.
Sean Paul was in Jamaica and Shaggy came to Atlanta for the launch.
So tell us about that.
So I have to big up King Promotion, who is is my co-manager. So he is he has a limo company that does those services.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
So
how
we got
that's
King
how
Promotion.
we do it.
Definitely.
And then the song. How does it happen? How did
Let's
that
talk
song
about the
happen?
song.
Let's talk about the song and then let's see the temp
So alright, the song go down there. I reached out to Shaggy. What date is today? The 27th?
Today is the 31st is Monday, 29, 28, 27.
28. I think today is the anniversary of me reaching out to Shaggy, you know.
Oh,
Or was it
wow.
yesterday? I think it's today, I don't know.
Okay.
But May, I reached out to Shaggy
Yeah.
in May 2018.
He loves Shaggy.
Yeah. And I said, listen, I need to do a song with you. Because I was at a point in my career where I felt like there, you know, I needed to step out of my box a little bit. I wanted to get more internationally known. I'm my own manager, though. I do everything for myself. I don't have like a record company that was supporting me at the time. Shout out to EP Records, who have now mended the fences. There's a recorded history of us going back and forth.
These things happen.
So,
But
at the time, at the time, I was doing everything by myself. I was my own manager, my own record label. I was just, you know, doing everything and promoting myself on Instagram, coming up with ways and ideas. And I was like, you know what, I think I need to do a song with Shaggy. So I reached out to him. And funny enough, he answered and he was like, yeah man, Gracie, come at the studio. And I was up and ready. I went to New York to the studio. We were going through different songs and track. And the moment we hear the rhythm, it go down there. His chorus, the go down there, was already there. Me say, Shaggy, me need a this, I eat this. Me say, I eat this, never go down for the song, yeah. Sit down and write this song. So he was looking like, okay.
Okay, then calm down, calm down. Yeah.
But me never go calm. Because me hear this song, I mean, no sense that it's song, so I couldn't calm down. None at all, Nova. So I recorded my part and I said, how amazing would it be if we add Sean Paul to the song? I don't know if we did act overact or act too much, you know, but me like big things. I'm an extra with everything when we do.
Have to reach for the stars, have to dream
Be
big.
very extra with everything when we do. So, but when I mentioned it, I thought that I was mentioning something that was impossible because we've never had a song with these two legends together.
That's very true.
So I was like, I wonder if I overstep or something, but I saw me stay me like things them loud or extravagant. So me asked feet. And when I did, you know, Shaggy was receptive. I said, yeah man, that should be bad. So we sent this track to Sean Paul just for him to hear it. Just reach out and say, hey, we have a song. Would I love for you to come on it and rain. And Nova, let me tell you, because this is a question everybody asks, how difficult was it? It was easy. When we sent the song to Sean Paul, you know, for him to listen and see if he like it, and we sent his open verse or whatever. 24 hours, the next day, Sean sent me back his verse. You know, me excited and me jump and skip and whine. Wow, that was it. Very easy.
And just like that.
And just like that.
Break. I mean, everybody around the world is, you know.
But then here comes the pandemic.
Yes.
So I've had the song for 1 year now.
Oh, okay.
Here comes the pandemic and the whole lockdown, and I was like going in another depression mode. I said, why now, God? Why would me have that big song here now? Everything just stopped. But I waited, I was patient. We shot the video before the whole, you know, excitement, before Bro God come in and say, no outing for you
today. No outing for you today.
Yes. So we did a video and I held my tongue for 1 year. It was difficult for me not to talk about that. So I've had this song for 1 year, just sitting and waiting on the right moment. And the right moment is now. Yes.
And what has happened? I mean, when you heard the song for the first time in your car, or where were you?
When I heard the song for the first time, I was super excited. I was jumping and skipping and you know, me and wine and go down there, me ear the hit. I knew that it was gonna be massive. You know, just knowing that Sean Paul and Shaggy, because I have to big them up. A lot of people, me not care. I'm humbled by it. I have to act excited. I have to give myself my own flowers. Because I tell my fans all the time, I say go in the garden and pick all the flowers. Me need it, me deserve it. Because I'm humbled to know that me, Gracie, bring a legend like Sean Paul and Shaggy together on one track for my album. It's very historic, you know, it's an iconic moment. And I'm just humbled and grateful, and I'm just happy to know that my fans love and appreciate it so much. It's still on trending in Jamaica right now today. After 3 weeks, that's never been done before in Jamaica. So I'm happy, me feel good, lover. Me happy and excited. Me feel good.
Yeah, well, we know you feel good, and the rest is on vacation with you, so we know how that go already. So thank you very much, because you bought 2 Grassy Noir tracksuits.
Definitely, yes.
I saw the 3-piece
to give away. And thank you for the spread. The spread. I'm super excited as well.
We love when
this is amazing. Spice it up. And you notice how I name all the pieces off of my Jamaican lingua.
Brilliant. So how did that come about? Was it, because you
As
had
you
to
know,
put this song on pause, so you decided to push the fashion forward?
Right. So I'm always into fashion. I like putting your stuff together. We just spoke about me having spicy couture for a number of years. I had that for over a decade at the Mocha. So I'm always into fashion. So when my first love was taken away from me during the pandemic, which is music and performing and going around, I just decided to dabble into fashion. So I came up with the leisure wear line, just easy, comfortable clothes in tracksuits.
Which is what we were doing in any case.
Right.
Yeah.
And so a lot of people ask, why Grassy Noir? My name is Grace, as you know.
Yes.
So I just changed the E to I because the word grassy means thankful. And I'm so thankful for my fans that's been supporting me for so many years.
Yes.
So I chose Grassy. And then Noir is the French for black. And I'm an advocate for black people. So we represent black right through. So that's how the name came about. And it's doing extremely well. Pieces sold out like every minute. But I try to keep as much on the
available
website.
Now on your website?
Most pieces, we have a new collection out now, which is I brought 2 to give away. Can I get a picture shoot that, please? I'm sweating, right? Thank you. Thank you so much. No. Thank you. That's right, sure. So this is one of the pieces. You can open it up so they can see. We also have a 3-piece one that comes with a detachable mask.
Because what we want you to do is, in a minute, Grace is going to show me how to.
No, that's not how it
Oh my
goes.
God.
I told Nova, said, Nova, listen, if I'm going to come to
you said Nova enough time, just Novia.
If I'm going to come to O.
To the O. T.
To the O, you have to whine and go down there.
She did.
She said, what? I can't do it. I said, well.
This is nice, Grace.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I said, yes, so we needed to whine and go down there. So the mask is falling. So this is really what I was talking about. It comes with a detachable mask.
3 pieces.
So it's actually 3 pieces.
This is nice, Grace.
So it,
but you have to have figure to wear these things.
But we do have one that you don't really need to have a figure. This is a full, complete one that's not really showing the waistline. So we have options. This one is fully covered.
Actually, it says large, but it's quite small.
Right, yeah.
It's form fitting.
Yeah.
I love this.
Yes. And then the logo is embroidered on the hood.
Gorgeous.
On the front.
Oh, well, definitely. This is weekend wear.
Yes.
This is the IG Live, and this is really worth.
So what should we do to give it away? Should I ask a question? Or should they make a video and tag Observer and Spice to win these 2 lovely pieces?
Yes.
Because the line is not in Jamaica as yet. So anybody who wins these 2 pieces will be
special,
one of the
unique.
4, one of the 2. Unique. Grassy Noir, yes.
Grassy Noir. This is gorgeous, Grace. I love it.
Thank you.
Love it. So, Shamar, what do they need to do to win?
So we're going to post the video.
Doing
the dance.
Post the video.
So they can just make a quick video. My new song is out. They can do a quick video with go down there and just tag the Observer, Spice Official, and
hashtag Grassy
with
Noir.
Yeah.
Grassy Noir with O.
Grassy Noir with O. So,
With
okay,
O team,
so
with
here's
O
the
team.
thing now. We've got 2 giveaways. 1 yellow, 1 black. Grassy Noir.
And you need to just hashtag Grassy
Grassy
Noir
Noir with
team. And then the Observer will reach out to you for you to come and get your giveaways for Grassy Noir. First in Jamaica, so hurry up and do a quick video. Go in your house, in your living room, in your kitchen,
Right.
anywhere, on the fridge, any little where. Pick and fast.
Well, thank God I have been, since I made the fatal error of telling Grace yes, I attended Pilates. Thank you very much, Summer Lopez. I didn't even tell you the reason why. I was working on my knees.
So your knees is ready.
So I'm not too sure.
Novia.
I'm not too sure if my knees are ready, but let's just say that we're going to try a thing.
Is there anything where we can play the song?
Okay, from this.
Okay.
Oh no, it's worse. Okay.
I just don't want to say. This is the reason why I'm here. Like, this is the real
Okay, we're going to
reason.
start first.
Okay.
So let's stand up.
All right. It's
Okay.
pretty easy. For the first time, we are going to see Novia, Madonna. Madonna.